We're here to give a brief description on our Plumbers Kit by Leaktronics. The Plumbers Kit is made specifically to hear leaks under slabs in residential or commercial properties. When performing a residential or commercial property, it's almost as if you have to imagine removing the roof off the slab, because if it's leaking in the upper portions of the slab, the leak will literally be dripping on your head. So when you have an underground slab, you want to listen for the leak at all the points of entry. When there's a leak underneath the slab, the metal pipes will transfer that sound. The street pressure coming into that pipe is what creates the pressure buildup, which essentially creates the sound. And that's why you want to listen to that pipe by physically touching it. You want to touch that pipe at all points of entry. Points of entry include washer-dryer stub-ups, toilet stub-ups, under-sink stub-ups, wet bar stub-ups, irrigation stub-ups. Anywhere that line stubs out of the ground is a point of entry. The heart of any leak detection, whether it's residential or commercial, is the meter. If a meter's spinning and everything is off, you're going to have a leak. That's why the meter's spinning. The first thing we like to do is isolate the house from the meter. We go to the shutoff. We shut off the main in the house. If the meter stops running, we know that the leak is further back from the shutoff. If the meter stays running, then we know that we have a leak between the meter and the shutoff itself. The next thing we'll do is open that back up in order to have the leak leaking when we're listening. The next thing we're going to do is walk the property systematically. We're going to stay on the outside perimeter of the house. While doing so, we're going to touch any stub-ups that we might see. The next we're going to do is walk the inside perimeter on the outside of the house. What we're trying to do is touch as much metal pipe with our pipe probe as possible in order to hear those leaks. The next we're going to do is we're going to go in the house, and we're always going to stay right. That systematic approach allows us not to miss anything in the house. If there's any rooms that aren't accessible, make them accessible. You have to be able to get in and take a look and touch every pipe coming out so that you can make your determination and actually hear your leak. After the leak is heard, we back ourselves up by injecting air into the easiest point of access without having to cut pipes. We then listen with the soil probe and deck plate for the distinct boil, which we will hear now. Once we hear that boil with our deck plate, soil probe, or soft-sided listening device, we mark our location and the leak is found. Always check your meter after doing a leak repair to make sure there are no other leaks in the house.